Luckily for these, the pads can be cut down to any size using a straight edge and a box cutter or an X-Acto knife. Absolutely. The installation process can be used on a variety of stair types. These are fold-out stairs. Great question. You want to make sure you apply a lot of pressure to ensure no air is trapped under the base of the ridges. No, we recommend removing all grip tape and residual adhesive before applying. As of right now, they come in storm gray and black, but stay posted for more updates. Our step covers are made using the same great materials as our marine flooring. You can rest easy knowing that these are built to last.